Ads popping up everywhere on your Android phone, in apps, games, even your browser? Here's how to block most ads on Android. No root or no complicated setup is necessary. This method is completely free, takes less than a minute, and works on almost any Android device. First, open your phone settings. Tap Connections. You will see more connection settings. Tap that. Tap on Private DNS. Then you will be able to fill in the private DNS provider hostname. In the box, type this exactly, dns.adguard.com, then tap Save. That's it. If your phone settings are completely different, you can try searching settings. Just type private DNS in the box and you will most likely be shown the exact thing that we are looking for. This blocks ads at the network level. So many apps and websites will stop showing ads instantly. Now open any app or website that usually shows ads. You should notice fewer ads right away, especially banner and pop-up ads. For even stronger blocking in your browser, install a browser like Brave from the Play Store. It automatically blocks ads and trackers without any setup. Keep in mind, this won't block every single ad, especially YouTube ads or some in-app ads, but it will significantly reduce most annoying ads across your device. If this helped, check out my other quick Android tips to speed up your phone and save battery.